Today we're going to be using estimation to help us solve a long division problem. So our problem here is how many times does 4 divide into 697? Now I'm going to estimate to figure this question out, and I'm going to use estimates that are easy for me to calculate mentally. So I'm going to estimate that 4 goes into 697 about 100 times. Now we want to make estimates that we know are going to get us pretty close to this number without going over. So I know that 4 times 100 is 400. So I'm going to write 400 right underneath 697. And I'm going to subtract. So 7 take away 0 is 7. 9 take away 0 is 9. And 6 take away 4 is 2. So now I'm left with 297. So how many times does 4 go into 297? Well, I can't estimate 100 because that number is going to be too high. I know that I can't take 400 away from 297. So I'm just going to go by 50. So now my estimate is that 4 goes into 297 at least 50 times. Now 4 times 50 is really just 4 times 5 with an extra 0 at the end. So 4 times 5 I know is 20, and if I put another 0 at the end, that's 200. And I'll subtract 200 from 297. Leaves me with 97. Now, 4 into 97. I can't do 50. That's going to take me to 200, so I need to go there. I'm going to do 4 times 10. So 4 times 10 is 40. And I'll subtract that from 97. Leaves me with 57. So I'm going to estimate 10 again because that leaves me pretty close to 57. 4 times 10 is 40. Subtract that again. So 7 take away 0 is 7. And 5 take away 4 is 1. So you can see we've whittled 697 all the way down to 17. Much more manageable. So 4 goes into 17 approximately 4 times. I know that 4 times 4 is 16, and that's really close to 17. So 17 take away 16 leaves me with 1. Now, I can't divide any more because I know that 4 will not fit into 1. So 1 is my remainder. I'm just going to circle it and label it with an R because I know that's my remainder. Now, I need to take all of these estimations that I've made over to the side and add them up so that I know how many times in total I've divided 4 into 697. Well, 100 plus 50 is 150, plus another 10 is 160, plus another 10 is 170, plus 4 is 174. So I know that 4 divides into 697 174 times with a remainder of 1.